Hi, how to do a reverse video and audio effect with Sony Vegas Pro. It can be version 12, 13, 14, 15, latest versions. It'll be all the same. So here I've got a clip that I'll just play it now for you. I want to reverse that so it goes in the opposite direction. So what I do is a left mouse on the video clip, a right mouse, and then select reverse. Now that reverses the video only. So if you play it again, you can see the video is reversed, but the audio isn't reversed. So what you do, even though these are grouped together, it still does this. So what you do is your left mouse on the audio, so it's highlighted. Then right mouse, select reverse again, and now when you play it back, it's now in reverse. It also creates a subclip reversed here as well. So you can drag and drop that in. So you can see it's reversed the whole video, not just that section. But then you can pick out points from that later and do the same effect if you wanted to. There you go. That's how to reverse a video clip in Sony Vegas.